Young's double slit. Young's double slit. In 1801, Thomas Young first demonstrated experimentally the phenomena of interference of light. What is interference of light? If two or more light waves with the same phase, same frequency, same amplitude superimposed to each other, then it produces maximum and minimum intensity fringes of light produces on the screen. Phenomena is called interference of light. So first demonstrated, the Young gave the first experimental evidence of interference of light. Interference of light. In 1801, Thomas Young first demonstrated experimentally the phenomena of interference of light. When sunlight passes through pinhole, you can see here in 1801, Thomas Young. So here, Thomas Young first demonstrated experimentally the phenomena of interference of light. So this is the S is the source of light. S is the source of when sunlight is allowed to fall on the, so this is the sunlight is allowed to fall on the slit S. When sunlight passes through pinhole S, so spherical waves are spread out. You see here, these are the spherical waves. These spherical waves are spread out. These spherical waves are allowed to fall on the S1, S2 slits. You can observe in figure. So these spherical waves also spread out from pinholes S1 and S2. You observe, so these spherical waves are also moving from one place to another place. The radii of these wave fronts increases, you can observe, increases as they move away from S1 and S2. Hence they superimpose on each other an alternative bright and dark, bright and dark, bright and dark. So bright and dark fringes are observed on the screen, XY screen, placed at a distance of D. So from this place to screen place, the distance is capital D. Distance, capital D. If crest of one wave falls on the crest of other wave, or trough of one wave falls on the trough of other wave, then the resultant amplitude and intensity is maximum. It is called constructive interference. If crest of one wave falls on the trough of another wave, or trough of one wave falls on the crest of another wave, it produces minimum intensity fringes. Minimum intensity means dark fringes. So this is minimum intensity. Minimum intensity fringe means dark fringe. Maximum intensity fringe means bright fringe. So when crust falls on the trough or trough falls on the crust, so it gives the minimum intensity fringe on the screen. That is destructive interference. Destructive interference. What I am saying, so S is the slit, pinhole slit. When sunlight passes through this pinhole slit, the spherical waves are moving from the slit. So these are allowed to fall on the S1, S2 pinhole slits. From pinhole slits also, the spherical waves are produced. This spherical waves radii increases. These are superimposed to each other and gives rise to bright and dark fringes on the screen. Dark and bright fringes on the screen. If crust falls on the crust or trough falls on the trough, then it produces maximum intensity fringe, bright fringe on the screen phenomena is called constructive interference. If crust of one wave combined with trough of another wave, so trough of one wave falls on the crust of another wave, it produces minimum intensity. So it gives the dark fringe on the screen. On the screen phenomena is called destructive interference. So in general, we can draw here. I am drawing this Young's double slit experiment. You try to draw this figure here. I am taking and drawing. So you just observe here. So I am taking and drawing here. So just take your notebook, rough notebook, and draw it. Very, very important. So it will come in your examination. So try to yes. Take one straight line. First take one straight line. Yes. Take one straight line. Yes. So this is the pinhole. This is pinhole S. Pinhole S. From the pinhole, a spherical wave is produced. So this is the spherical wave. So this is another pinhole S1. This is S2. From these pinholes also spherical wave is produced. So this radii increases. You take here carefully, this is dot, this is 0, this is dot, this is 0. So festival is coming Sankranti, this is Sankranti Mugu. You can observe here. So dot, this is 0. Sukka Sunna Mugu. You observe here. This is dot, this is 0. This is 0. This is dot, this is dot, this is 0. So you take 0, dot, dot, 0. So this is 0, dot, dot, 0. So this is 0, dot, dot, 0. You can take any number of like this. Yes. So in between these 4 dots, you take another 0. You take another 0. So this is the Sukkala Mugu. Right? So this is coincide, superimposed to each other. 1 second. Yes. Superimposed to each other. You see carefully. So this Chukka Sunna. Sunna Sukka. Just take it. So just you carefully take 0, dot, 0, dot, 0. 0, dot, 0, dot, 0. So 0, dot, 0, dot, 0. So now here you can take, so this is dot, 0 and 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 dot. So 0 and dot, this dot 0 we can take. Here also same. So dot 0, dot 0, 0 dot 0, 0 dot. So dot 0, 0 dot, dot 0, 0 dot, dot 0, 0 dot. So this is the interference. So I am taking here I am taking here some line. So this is XY screen. This is X. This is Y. So this is the interference pattern. Interference pattern. You can draw yourself in your examination. I showed clearly. So I will give this figure in our notes. So same. So this is S. Sunlight is allowed to fall on the pinhole slit S. So from this pinhole, a spherical wave is produced. It is allowed to fall on the S1, S2 slits. You can see here S1, S2 slits. From this S1 and S2 slits also, a spherical wave is produced. This spherical wave is superimposed to each other. Superimposed to each other. So if crust is combined with crust, or trough is combined with a trough, it produces dark maximum intensity fringe on the screen. That is called bright fringe. That is called constructive interference. Constructive interference. If crust of one wave combined with the trough of another wave, or trough of one wave combined with the crust of another wave, it produces minimum intensity dark fringe on the screen. It gives the minimum intensity. This phenomena is called destructive interference. Destructive interference, you see here. So this is the actual pattern. Actual pattern. So this dot represents dark, represents bright fringe. So this is in our zero, that represents. So this is represents. This is here. This is dark. This is bright. So we observe alternative bright and dark, bright and dark, bright and dark. So this is the interference pattern in Young's double slit. Young's double slit. So we can draw like this. You see here, from Huygens principle, each point on the wavefront is a secondary wavelet. The radii of this wavefront increase as they move away from S1 and S2, and hence they superimpose on each other, and alternative bright and dark fringes are observed on the screen XY, placed at a distance capital D from S1 and S2. At a point where a crust due to one wave falls on the crust due to another wave, the resultant displacement is sum of the amplitude due to each wave separately. This is known as constructive interference. You can observe this is destructive interference. Destructive interference at points where a crust due to one wave falls on the trough of another wave. The resultant amplitude is equal to the difference of amplitudes due to the each wave separately. This is known as of amplitudes due to each wave separately. It is known as destructive interference. On the screen, a number of alternative bright and dark regions of equal width call interference fringes are observed.